In this video, we are going to overview the company's admin dashboard. For this, we need to go to the login page and log in using our email and password. Click login and this will take us to this page. In here we have left sidebar menus, and on the top we have search menu, quick button for creating these invoices, estimates and proposals and other modules. We have the switch button in order to switch between the companies dashboard. Currently we have only one company active. This is button for viewing our settings. This is button to share the documents. For this we can add to-do items and view our timesheet and view our notifications. From this drop down we can view our profile, manage our timesheets, edit profile and log out. In here we have currently active package, that is 15 days left of the trial. From this button we can subscribe. After subscribe, the trial period will be completed. In here section we have all the companies, that is only one company is active. In here we have account statement and the quick view for our invoices. Now let's go to dashboard. In dashboard we have these draggable widgets. We can drag them according to our liking. From this dashboard options we can enable or disable these widgets. Also we can reset from here. This is how the company's dashboard looks like.